gonna break out the cup tumbler maker. We ordered this from Amazon. So you can find this almost anywhere, and I know Cricket makes one, but here's the one that we are using. We cut them out in the shapes, long ways and sideways. She matches it up with the tumbler. Use the heat tape to tape the paper on so that it won't come off or move, because you know how it is when you iron it on t-shirts or anything that's an iron on. If it shifts, it will print, or iron on is shifted. So I guess you gotta make sure this paper document was printed, mirrored already, and you just tape it down. Try not to leave any bubbles, guys. I've done that. Put it in the holder. Press it. Press one end, press the other end. This machine is for mugs and tumblers, so adjust accordingly. And that's it. Right, pull it off, and you can kind of see in the middle of it where the words are popping off. So maybe one more time, or you think it's good?
I'm gonna do that one more time.
I think one more time. Yeah. Take off. We let it cool for a while because it's too hot unless you're wearing gloves. Oh, it came out nice.